Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, I'll show you how to find Walmart promo codes. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to your web browser, then search Walmart promo codes. Now, go to this website called Wired. Now you can see there are so many coupons here, so many coupons available here. You can copy the coupons from here. You can see there is an option called copy coupon. When you click on this, your coupon will be copied, and you can copy this coupon from here, you can see, and use it to your Walmart. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.